This is a solid magenta, as you can see. Fabulous color. Again, this has got a beautiful petal neck in front, lovely U-neck in front, and a beautiful leaf neck behind. These are all available in various sizes, starting from size 34 up to size 42. Solid Style. That's the name of the new collection of blouses that we have launched at Avishya. These blouses are made in fabulous fabrics. We are using Oxfords, we are using slub cottons, we are using stripes. So a variety of lovely fabrics and a range of colors. And that's why we thought the name Solid Style really fits for this particular collection of blouses. You can then match these with any of the sarees that you have. Hello Avishya fans and handloom lovers. Today I'll take you through this range of lovely blouses that we have, and we'll also tell you how we can match these blouses with a variety of sarees in your wardrobe. Let's start off with these blouses which are hanging here. This is a solid magenta, as you can see. Fabulous color. The fabric is really nice, very comfortable. Slub cotton, beautiful fabric. It's got a nice, beautiful V-neck in front. Back, it's got a lovely, beautiful elliptical shaped window. Wooden buttons, very nicely finished. Then we have this lovely grayish blue. Again, this has got a beautiful petal neck in front, and it's got a collar U-neck behind. This is a beautiful, lovely blue, bright electric blue with a lovely U-neck in front and a beautiful leaf neck behind. So then we have a green which has got a V-neck, a nice elliptical window behind. Beautiful fabric again, the stripes fabric. So fabrics are really nice, finished very well. And of course, these are all available in various sizes, starting from size 34 up to size 42. So if you like a color, you can pick your design and color and take whichever size that suits you. So we'll move on to some other colors here. I'll move on to some lighter colors. There's a lovely beige, beautiful beige with a nice sweetheart neck in the front. And there's a lovely, beautiful V-neck or a beautiful pencil neck behind. And next we'll have this beautiful, very lovely aqua, beautiful aqua green, and again a very nice petal neck in front and a collar U-neck, deep U-neck behind. We have a variety of colors with variety of styles. I'll show you something new. Let's see. We have this fabulous design, beautiful. See, the cut in front is very, very nice. It's a lovely pencil cut with a corner, beautifully cut, and it's a boat neck finish behind. It's a lovely color, beautiful color here. Again, something else which is a little different, the way it's cut. A V-neck in front and behind, beautifully cut square neck with a lovely touch of style with these beautifully stitched stripes on one side. Fabulously designed. The same design is there in another color. Very similar design, same design in fact, in a lovely bright green. And here we have a variation in the sleeve. Beautiful puff sleeves in this bright yellow blouse with a petal neck in front and again a lovely pencil neck behind. Right, so these are the kinds of colors. So I showed you magentas, light blues, bright blues, grays, beige color, bright yellows, a variety of colors and the kind of colors which can match with any saree in your wardrobe. This is a wonderfully crafted, beautifully sourced material. You have a variety of colors and sizes from 34 up to 42. So I would urge you to come over to the Avishya store. We are located at 281 TTK Road, Alvarpet. In fact, in the coming weeks, we have a fabulous festival going to be happening. It's called the Blouse Mela at Avishya. The Blouse Mela is going to start from today, and you can come over to the Avishya store. If you buy 3 blouses, you get 1 blouse free. So that's the offer which is going on. You can come over, then pick and choose. We have a wide variety of blouses. Today we are focusing on the Solid Style collection, but apart from this, we have a wide variety of other blouses as well. And this offer of 3:1, buy 3, get 1 offer is available across the line of blouses. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon so that you keep getting notified about all our videos. And thank you so much for watching. So those in Chennai, please come over to the Avishya store at 281 TTK Road, Alvarpet. If you're not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection is available online, and our online service team will be looking forward to answering your queries, helping you choose the right one for you, and making your purchase online, including the entire process of how to buy, how to add to your cart, and how to make your payments. All of that will be explained to you. Thank you so much once again for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.